Unlock exclusive rewards now. We're sharing an incredible opportunity to claim exclusive Doge tokens. Claiming Doge tokens is a rare opportunity as the supply is limited. Secure your valuable tokens today and explore the Dojima ecosystem. If you already have a Dojima wallet, simply log in to start claiming your Doge tokens. If not, let's get you set up quickly. Visit Dojima Wallet website, link in description, click on Connect Wallet, get Dojima Wallet extension. This will redirect you to the Chrome store. Click on Add to Chrome and add the extension. Once the extension is installed, click on Get Started, copy, and securely store your seed phrase. Better, we give it to you in a text file, you just keep it safe. Click on Proceed to download. Confirm the seed phrase, now create a password and claim your handle, like a username for your all wallet addresses. That's it, you now have your Dojima wallet. Now to claim your exclusive Doge token. Copy your Doge token public address, visit the Dojima Faucet website, link in the description again, paste your address like so and click Send 1 Doge token. There you go. You've successfully claimed your exclusive Doge token. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Click the link in our description to start your claim process. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and join our community. Thanks for watching and happy claiming.